Hey guys, now I'm going to um go treat my avatar and this had I got the faceless. It still has about a little bit, but to get the faceless for free, except for the map, I don't know. You have to get this and this if you have it and this. I'm gonna teach you how to get this flower, okay? Sorry guys, because I forgot. But if you have it, you're lucky. So yeah, but actually, it's okay. Just use, and you just use any accessory that is like a little bit big enough. If it's small, just make it really big. Okay, guys, it just got a little
You wanna
loud.
come with me?
Just use any accessory that covers it, and yeah, and also use this and make it like that. The glasses are good, and yeah, so that's how you get. Um, guys, I'm going to play again. I'm gonna play Tasty Vampire. And yeah, I do play Murder Mystery, so yeah. But sometimes crash out because I always die. Oh, dang. Guys, I'm gonna change my name into a Korean name. And I already have a keyboard. Yes. Why lots of people must have done me. Even on my YouTube on my other account. Ooh. Hello. What the hell? Oh my god. What? Look how he can escape there. Are you kind of got it?
Huh?
Both times the escape to open way. Oh, look at that. Nah, bro, this is right. Look at this. No wonder that is sticking there. Oh sh! Oh sh! I already know what's coming. I don't care. I already know what's coming. The way it's gonna come and the vampires should already get that. And you just against it. Some people just go here also. This is what I mean. Okay, it's okay. Hey, no way. Hey, Nana. Nah, it's you, bro. It's you. It's you. There. Bye-bye. Oh, oh, oh. I'm dead. I'm dead. Everybody come here. Every humans, come here. That's my butt. You know what they would survive? How many days? 181. It? Oh. Oh, let's go. You bro. At least we saw he's and check out here. Ami. Nah. There he is. Oh my god, my piece. Okay. Okay, guys, now I'm going to become a vampire. Bro, what the freak? What the freak is this? What the freak? Bro, let me become a vampire. Ah. Oh, finally. Oh, hello. Oh. Oh, no, can't go inside. Oh, come on.
No, don't get rid of the food. Get rid of a lot of the stuff in the feed. There's a lot.
This makes us feel so, yeah, amazing. Gee, I'm not gonna be a vampire. Oh, they changed it to allowed. They replaced the cool with an allowed. Oh, come on. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, shit. You're gonna be killing me. Come on, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way I'm so lucky because of bro. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way.
My game's still lagging every time I pull out my harpoon.
Oof.
Just don't pull it out.
Hey, you know, I'm not gonna drink your blood. I'm just gonna kill you when you. Bye bye.
But
Ain't no way, bro. Just got there. Ain't no way they're just right. Ow!
and then you just ready up your outfit.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way that was so tough. So. Are you serious right now, cousin? Cousin, what the frick? Nah, cousin did. I'm gonna just wait for cousin. And if she's human, just gonna kill her. Just because I just go. Well, the game is right. I get so thirsty every time when I be a vampire. I just want to like. Bro, what do you expect too, blah? What the frick is my cousin? She just joined me, and where the frick is she? Is she dumb as hell? Does she? Oh, never mind. She's beautiful. Oh my God, zombie girl! Come on, nah! Bro, are you serious? Bro, are you serious right now, bro? Bro, are you serious? Nah, this guy is hot. I'm just gonna go here and wait for zombie girl. It's no way she's gonna leave. Ain't no way she did. Ain't no way she gone. Ain't no way. Where the frick is she? Ain't no way she's not there. Ain't no way. Ain't no way she gone.
Hey, now to clean up the stuff in your house.
up all the food. I did it all in pieces. Actually, no, I'm gonna finish all my. I just have to wrap.
There's some stuff to wrap. No, no.
Bye, guys. I'm going to like stop. Bye.